1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Rest air readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast. Take it down.
Maintenance.
Dive.
Bending
Dive.
accelerators.
Take it down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
Full ahead full. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you on board. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the Lost City.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface all ahead, sir.
No worries. Take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off and hold at 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you?
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. I'm more explorers. It's time to go. Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for us along the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore.
Let's go! Follow me to the east.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Hey, Dad, I got
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin.
This is fun! Grab shell, Nemo! We're gonna hit the devil with Cowabunga!
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Sunken bud. Sweet.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to find
By who?
my son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
Turn up, Bruce. Remember the pledge.
I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons to pop.
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory! What?
Lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Ah! Something touched me!
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like light.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Now I'm thinking of something change.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Going.
Stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun. Going.
No, Dory!
Going.
We're invited to a party. Let's go!
I love parties.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo!
Right behind you.
giant alien lizard, Mama.
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. You better take her up before we ever run in with a sea serpent or more an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.